Hi everyone! Well, I wanted to let you know about lots of fun things going on over the next couple of weeks in conjunction with the release of my brand new book, Organic Gardening for Everyone. It releases on December 24th and we're so excited to share it with you. But I want to let you know about some opportunities you have to win your very own copy. I'm going to be announcing all the giveaways that are going on all over Instagram and Facebook, over on my Instagram at CaliKim29 and my Facebook page, CaliKim Garden and Home. There's going to be one almost every day up through December 17th. Now, the other extremely exciting announcement that I wanted to let you know is an event, a live in-person event that's going to be unique, fun, and one of a kind to kick off the release of my new book. It's a book signing painting party, and it's happening December 28th from 2 to 5 p.m. at a paint studio called Painting with a Twist in Thousand Oaks, California. So if you live anywhere in the Southern California area, Camera Guy and I would love for you to sign up. We want to meet you, shake your hand, and sign your Painting book. With a Twist is a paint and sip art studio. And we're going to be painting some garden art that you can take home and plant right in your garden. We're going to be painting our garden art on a wood plank like this. It's going to be a piece of herb garden art, which you can then put a stake on the back and take it home and put it right in your garden to decorate your garden. It's going to be a ton of fun. Now, the Painting with a Twist has 2 art rooms that are going to be open. There's an art bar that is available for ages 21 and plus, and there's a paint room for ages 13 plus. And there will be painting instructors that will guide you through the painting project every step of the way. Tickets are available until December 20th. Or until they sell out, and limited spaces available. Click the link in the video description right now to reserve your ticket. There'll be one link if you want to join us in the art bar for ages 21 and plus, and another link if you're ages 13 and plus and want to join us in the paint room. And make sure you use the passcode CaliKim in all caps when you're reserving your spot. So we're really looking forward to seeing you there so we can kick off and launch our book together. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.